Hi guys, Pete Gonzales here, and today I'll be showing you a couple ways to create a smooth, sleek finish on your engine using Rust-Oleum Engine Enamel. This new formula resists heat better than ever on automotive surfaces and engines that can reach temperatures of up to 600 degrees. This ceramic coating truly has a superior gloss and color retention. Rust-Oleum has been a trusted name in the automotive coating space for years and is known for quality, durable products. This video will show you how to customize your engine in just a few simple steps. Let's go. Today we're going to take this old engine and show you how to refresh your valve covers and your intake manifold. Now most of you will not be taking your engine out as this one is, so we're going to be showing you how to mask up surrounding areas so you do not get paint on them. You're going to want to first start off by removing any light paint or rust with the wire brush and sandpaper. You also want to make sure you remove any glossy areas with sandpaper to a dull finish for better adhesion. And in no time at all, we have everything masked up and we're ready for application. You're going to want to make sure that you shake the can vigorously for at least 1 minute and shake often during application. When applying, you want to work in a steady back and forth motion, always keeping a slight overlap pass as you do. Pro tip, let go of the nozzle at the end of each pass so you don't have any extra buildup on the edges, which will take a lot longer to dry. In just a few simple steps, we've refreshed our valve covers and intake manifold. For best appearance, apply 3 light coats, waiting a few minutes in between. If you want a glossy finish, apply a medium to wet coat after your light coat. And what that means is apply your next coat a bit heavier than you did your last. For more information and additional colors, go to Rust-Oleum.com. Until next time.